This is THG Automation's robotic plasma cutting solution. We use Hypertherm plasma cutters, universal robots, collaborative robot, our software to integrate the plasma cutting with the robot, as well as for complex parts like this one, non-flat, very up and down corrugations. We use 2 laser sensors to adjust the contour of the cut. Now I'm going to demonstrate plasma cutting on complex shapes using contour mode. As you can see, with a simple program with 2 points, I program the start and the end point, and it follows the contour of this part using the voltage sensing with the plasma, and then our hardware solution for contour following. So to program a design cut, I'll input this, hit choose my feature, or my design actually, and for this I'll choose rectangle, and you see it automatically populates the whole cut node. So I will teach the center point of my cut, tell it that I want to go, say, 60 by 60 square, and then over here in cutting parameters, I'll hit update design, and you'll see that it completes this whole cut node. So I can play it. And with that, I can change from a rectangle to a circle and tell it, say I want to do a 60mm circle. Same thing, I'll hit update. It changes everything to a move C, and now I can